Looky here, Colin.
What's this one?
What do you got?
Glasses.
Glasses. When did you get those glasses?
I'm at the eye doctor.
When?
Today.
Today. You like them?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at me. Look at the camera. Alright.
So, you're brilliant.
Do your homework. Dado. Hello, Teen. You say hi? You say hi?
Tien? Leave her dress. Yeah, he's pulling on your dress. Tien, pick those up, please.